Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. Today I'm showing you how to make this beautiful showpiece featuring two birds in love which you can give to your loved ones as Valentine's Day is coming. So I thought to make this beautiful showpiece using thermocol wall putty dough and homemade cold porcelain clay. So let's get started. If you're here for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notifications so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And after assembling the birds to the base completes the project, let's have a look to the final product. You can also convert this beautiful showpiece into a candle holder by putting a tea light candle. Tell me in the comment section below which idea you like the most, showpiece with candle or without candle. I hope you guys love this easy craft idea and will share your valuable feedbacks. And don't forget to subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notification for my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.